This one, okay?
Wow! Oh, arms, hands behind the back. Whee!
Look at your crazy pants. What happened to your pants?
You were dancing and his pants went crazy.
Wow, that was a good walk. Do you want to go back to Mummy? Go back to Mummy?
Yeah. I'll be...